10 Common Superfood Myths. Myth 1. Superfoods are a magic cure-all. One of the most pervasive myths is that superfoods can single-handedly cure or prevent all health problems. While superfoods are nutrient-dense and offer various health benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet rather than a sole solution to health issues. Myth 2. Superfoods are expensive. Many people believe that superfoods are costly and out of reach for the average person. While some exotic superfoods can be expensive, there are plenty of affordable options like beans, greens, and berries that provide exceptional nutritional value. Myth 3. You must consume superfoods in excessive amounts. It's a common misconception that you need to consume large quantities of superfoods to reap their benefits. In reality, moderation is key, and a balanced diet that includes a variety of superfoods is more effective than overindulging in one particular item. Myth 4. All superfoods are exotic and hard to find. While some superfoods like acai berries or goji berries are exotic and might be hard to find in certain regions, many superfoods are readily available in most grocery stores. Local, seasonal produce can often be just as nutritious as the more exotic options. Myth 5. Superfoods are the only things you need to eat. Some people believe that by incorporating superfoods into their diet, they can exclude other foods. A well-rounded diet should include a variety of food groups, and superfoods are just one component of a healthy eating plan. Myth 6. Superfoods alone will make you lose weight. Superfoods can certainly be part of a weight loss plan, but they are not a guaranteed way to shed pounds. Weight loss requires a holistic approach that includes portion control, exercise, and overall calorie intake. Myth 7. All superfoods are equally beneficial. Not all superfoods offer the same benefits, and some might be more beneficial for certain health goals or conditions than others. It's essential to understand which superfoods align with your specific health needs. Myth 8. Superfoods are tasteless or unappetizing. Some people believe that superfoods don't taste good. However, with the right recipes and cooking methods, superfoods can be delicious and satisfying. They can be incorporated into various dishes to suit different tastes. Myth 9. Superfoods can compensate for an unhealthy lifestyle. A common misconception is that you can indulge in unhealthy habits like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of exercise as long as you consume superfoods. Superfoods should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle, not a quick fix for unhealthy behaviors. Myth 10. All superfood claims are scientifically proven. Not all claims about the miraculous effects of superfoods are backed by solid scientific evidence. It's crucial to be discerning and rely on peer-reviewed research and expert opinions when assessing the health benefits of superfoods. Understanding these myths and separating them from facts is essential for making informed decisions about incorporating superfoods into your diet and overall health and wellness strategy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.